Peter, thanks ever so much for being able to have a conversation about the recruitment for the chair to follow on from you. I'm really interested to hear how you sum up the role and what the key involvements are of the role of the chair of WCDA.
Thanks, Ruth. Well, first thing to say, I think if I look back on my career, it's been an honour to chair WCDA. It's been one of the most important things that I've done. The organisation plays an absolute key role nationally across Wales. The magnitude of the work that we do, the responsibility that we have in terms of supporting the sector, distributing funds across the sector, means that it's been a really satisfying role. It's been an interesting role. It's been fun, and it's been exciting to see how the sector has developed, how the organisation has developed over the time since I've been trustee and indeed chair.
And how would you summarise the main challenges that are currently facing the sector and how those challenges would impact for an incoming chair?
I think we can learn a lot from the COVID crisis and the response of the sector, and we now need to make sure that we embed that learning going forward. So the sector played an absolutely central role in the response to the crisis, built relationships with public and private sector that we now need to embed going forward. And I think that's the opportunity for the new chair to come in to take that learning forward to the next stage, to make sure that we have those partnerships with the sector, with other sectors, to make sure that we have the diversity in our own sector represented properly, and to take forward that critical role of voluntary action to make a difference across Wales.
Absolutely. And is there anything that you'd say is the main thing that people would need to consider when considering applying for the role?
Well, you've got to have a passion for it. You've got to have a passion for voluntary action. You've got a passion for volunteering. You've got a passion for the voluntary sector and a belief in it. The organisation is here. You get a lot of support. We've got a great board, an excellent board. We have a great staff team. So in terms of the support around you, it's very strong. The commitment you have as an individual to take that leadership forward is going to be critical. And I think that time commitment, it is there, and there's some things you have to do, but a lot of it then is dependent upon your commitment to take that forward in the way that you want to do. So it's difficult to measure what that is in exact terms, but I can only say I've really enjoyed it. I'll be sad to leave, and I will miss the role, and whoever takes it on will be very fortunate to have the opportunity.
Thank you very much indeed, Peter, and we will certainly also miss working with you, and I'm very confident that we will keep in touch. But very grateful to you for your time to talk about the recruitment process. Thank you very much indeed. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you, Ruth. Diolch.